Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to be showing you guys my summer FABFITFUN box. I am not sponsored by them. However, I do have a referral link down below. If you would like to sit there and save some money on your first box, you can use it if you want. If you're not, it's okay too. So let's get into this box. I already did take a quick look in here, plus I untaped it so that way it was easier to get into, and a couple things I already took out of their little plastic so it wasn't me, so I wasn't sitting here having a struggle getting into it. So let's get into all the little paper stuff that we have. We have here some stickers right there, little cute little summery stickers. We have things saying step into sun, and it also has a code on the back. It's $15 off. I'll also put this code also in there too if you guys rather use this code instead, if you don't want to use my referral link. It has the HelloFresh 14 free meal card here. I really need to start using this card that comes in here. I've been wanting to try HelloFresh and I don't know why I have not yet. I keep hearing such amazing things, and I actually kind of like to try different recipes. So maybe I'll finally get to use one of my cards. Maybe it'll be this one. We also have the little FABFITFUN magazine right here. It says, "Summer, give yourself a summer glow up. Refreshing summer sips." It's just got some, like, recipes, things about the items that you may have gotten in your box, things that you could have gotten in your box, and so on and so on. It's a cute little read. So let's jump into all the items that I got. First off, we're going to start with the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen right here. I believe my ring light is going to be washing out all of these items here that are in white. We have it right here. I hear so many good things about this from some YouTubers that I do follow. And I figured, let me go give this a try. And I do know that this was one of the items that I did choose. We have Fruit Butter Lip Mask by Seraphine. I believe that is the brand. It's just a plain old little cardboard box here. Alright. We struggled to get this packaging open. And it's just like a tube mask for your lips. So, and I do like I have a lip gloss by them, and I do like it. It is really hydrating. We have a Tarte C drink of H2O. Some moisturizer here. This is what it looks like right there. Open it up. See if we can take a whiff here. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like a spa. Not like I've been to a spa, but it's what I imagine a spa would be smelling like, or I'd hope it'd be smelling like. It smells like really fresh. So I'm happy that I got that. I have the Sensuals Vitamin C Serum. I've heard good things about this too, and I do believe that this was another item that I was able to pick. So I did. Looks just like this here. Figured let me give it a whirl, get rid of some of the age spots, and the sun damage that I have on my face, and see what might happen. Who knows? We have another thing that has to do with the sun. It's by Mine. I guess that's the brand. I have no idea. But it says replenishing rapid recovery after sun gel enriched with soothing aloe vera and niacinamide. That's a mouthful. It's a moisturizing after sun gel, and it's right here. I actually kind of like the packaging. It's pink, and with the aloe neon green. I like the two combo colors. Not to mention, I like aloe, especially being sunburned, and since we're going to be going into these summer months here, going to the beach. And I'm sorry, no matter how much sunscreen I put on my body, I still tend to burn. So it's good to have. Glad to put that in my travel bag. Another little cute item here by Blush. It is a pineapple little mini ice cube tray here. It's the kind of silicone-y ones. Little pineapples in here. They're cute to put into your little drinks that you have for the summer, like lemonade, you know, all that fun jazz. This I took out of the plastic. A citrus squeezer. I'm glad I did not pick up a citrus squeezer that I was looking at Walmart. Got this at Walmart. Prince Purple Rain shirt. I was going to pick one up and I ended up walking away from it, and I'm glad I did, because then I'd have two, and this will be just a fun little addition to my cooking drawer gadgets that I have. So welcome to the family, little guy. And we have a picnic blanket. I believe this is, yes, it's a picnic blanket. Oh, bring this out here. Let's see how big this is. I'm sure you, yeah, the bottom, you can take this to the beach and use it on the sand. It's actually pretty big here. It's pretty big. It could fit at least 2 people comfortably. Maybe 4 if they were tiny. But unfortunately, I'm not tiny, so I'll be 2 people in one. So this is really nice to have. Take to the park, take to the beach, whatever you need to use it for. It feels like the sand would just like dust right off of it. So I don't know, I'm kind of excited for this box. This one, they've been doing pretty good with the boxes, and I kind of like that you can also customize a couple of the items that you get in the box, so you know for sure that it's something that you really are going to enjoy, at least those couple of products. So now I'm excited for what will be the next one, the fall one. Wow, I can't believe summer's here already, and we're going to be going into fall next. Alright, and I think that is it. Yeah, that's it. It's just all this other, you know, crap in here. Like the stuff that my cats like to play with, and it gets all over, and you seem to be picking it up for days. I don't know how, but you do. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, as it does help my channel out. Comment down below anything else you would like to see from me. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. And also, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, as that also does help my channel too. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.